Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a very important update for Microsoft Edge if you are using Edge as your browser, and even if you're not. You know, I say it sometimes, it happens that a link or something can actually trigger Edge to open. There's a security fix for Microsoft Edge. It actually fixes a security flaw that is exploited in the wild, so by hackers already. So that means that to stay safe, this is a very important update to apply. So if you go into the upper right corner of Microsoft Edge, 3 dots, go down to Help and Feedback, and go to About Microsoft Edge. This will bring you to 107.0.1418.35. This is a important security flaw that's being fixed. Of course, was fixed in the Google Chrome browser, and the Chromium team, of course, has advised Edge team that it was important to apply this fix. So it's now here today, November the 3rd, 2022. Like I said, you know, it's very important to update. That is the number one security thing, updating every bit of software that you have, the browser, Windows, and so on. That is really what keeps you safe online, much more than anything else. And so check it out, as it is now available today. Once again, upper right corner, 3 dots. Go down into the Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge to stay safe as you use your computer on the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.